Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to set up your screen recorder for your iPhone. This might not be very obvious, so I want to show you how to do that. So here under the settings, you might have not enabled. So what will you use this screen recording for? Well, for either gaming or if you want to do some tutorials. So that's exactly what I use it for. So it might not be enabled, so you don't need an app. It's already built in. So we're going to go to settings. Okay, so under settings, you want to go to the control center. Under the control center, you see this included controls here. You want to add the screen recorder. So where is it? So you want to, I'll show you exactly where it's at because it might not be very obvious. Okay, so there it is, screen recording. So what you want to do is you want to hit the plus button, and that's going to add it to your menu. So once that's done, you want to go back up here and you're going to see that's been added to your controls. Okay, once you do this, the next step is you want to go back. You want to get out of this screen. Okay, now when you're in this screen, you're not going to see it here. What you want to do is, you see the three dots right there, you want to bring that down. Okay, and there it is. There's the screen recorder. I'm going to do it one more time so you see it. So you're going to swipe down. You're going to swipe down on these three buttons right here. You're going to swipe just like this. Okay. Now that you have that, your screen recorder is this button here. So let's press that. And it's going to count down 3, 2, 1. Now that means your whole entire screen is being recorded. So whatever you do from this moment forth, your screen is being recorded. So either your games or your tutorial, if you want it to stop, you're going to hit stop. Okay, so the screen recorded has been saved to your photos. So how do you get to it? So let's get out of here, and then you want to go under your photos. Just tap that, and under your photos, let's go back. So I already did a few recordings, but under your photos, here's the recording we just did, which is like a few seconds. So that's the actual screen recording that took place just a few minutes ago. And that's how you do it. So let me know if you found this useful. Screen recording for your iPhone. Very simple to do, but if you've never done it, it's a bit difficult. So here you go. Give it a thumbs up and comment. Thanks.